Hello great people! On today's episode of Eulogy and Translation, Oriki àti Ìtumọ̀, we have Oriki Ogbomoso. Èyí tó gbórí ẹlẹ́mọ̀ṣọ́ ló padà di Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́. The one that carries the ẹlẹ́mọ̀ṣọ́'s head. Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ ajílẹ̀ tètè o. Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́, child of Ajílété. Níbi ìwọ́n gbẹ́jẹ̀ka kó tó mú nǹkan yangan, where they eat solid food made out of yam flour before pap. Ogbomo ojukwu seki. Ogbo is nitty-gritty transformation. Ogbo shunidiyan. Ogbo yam transforms and becomes pounded yam. Ogbere adolele. That of beans becomes molded beans food. Ogbolo gbagba donide ekonyogon. While corn transforms and becomes pap. Bọ́ọ̀mà Ajílété bá jọ ibi iṣẹ́ ajé wọn ni wọ́n lọ. When the child of Ajílété wakes up, he goes to work. Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́ máa fọwọ́ jábé èṣù ọ̀dàrà. Ògbómọ̀ṣọ́, the one who fights like the devil himself. Ọ̀pọ̀ ní bá ọjà tó lọ́gbọ́n nínú. Ó ṣe bẹ̀rẹ̀ ní ìjàgùnpàdé bá ọ̀ṣẹ́ ni. Ogbo is fighting you and you're not being wise. Thinking Jagungbade is joking with you. Ogbo dákun mọ́mọ́ bá mi jà wọ́n lọ́wọ́ ẹbọ nílé. Ogbo, please do not fight me. I don't have money for sacrifice. Ogbo ló lọ ọjọ́ kan ìjà ọmọ Ajílété. Ló lọ́jọ́ kan ẹ̀rín. Ogbo fights when it's time to. Child of Ajílété plays when it's time to. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, follow, like, comment, share to your friends and family. I am AKANKE Chanter. God bless you. See you on the next episode.